In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon ImageCLASS LBP122dw printer with the Android phone. First we have to connect the printer with the Wi-Fi network. Go to the printer control panel. Now if your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, you will see the Wi-Fi icon here. If your printer is not connected, then you have to do the Wi-Fi setup. Scroll down on the main screen and click on the menu. Go for the preferences and then look for the network. Select the first option and then click on the wireless LAN. Once the settings are applied, scroll down, click on the wireless LAN settings. It will give you the list of Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the panel. Scroll down, you will see the capital letters and then you will see the numbers. To change it for the lowercase, click on the switch entry mode. You can select lowercase and symbols. So once you are done, go back and then apply the password. Click yes. Once the printer is connected, it will display connected and it will display the wireless icon on the main screen. Now go to your Android phone. Go to the Play Store and download the Canon Print app. Open this app. Agree with the terms and conditions. You can agree with some of the other things, but they are optional. So you can check few of them and press OK. Press OK again. Allow for the location. Click on the search for the available printer. Make sure printer is on. Also make sure your smartphone is already connected to the Wi-Fi network. Instantly it will add up the printer. It says offline. Wait for the printer to show up properly. If you don't see it, click on the add switch again and then click on the register printer. You will see your printer again. Select it. Again it will add up here. So that's the wireless setup of the printer. Now wait for the printer to show up online and then we can start using it for printing. Thanks for watching.